Hey guys, Kia Valentine here and welcome to my channel. I am super excited to share with you guys a product I am absolutely crazy about. The M4 Mineral Rich Magnetic Mud Mask by Seacret. Seacret skincare line are high-end skincare products, but they are worth every penny. Their skincare products contain minerals from the Dead Sea. But before I show you how this works, check this box out. I love a great presentation. This mud mask is the perfect gift. Let's get into it. So first things first, you want a clean face. Now, I'll admit, I do have on eyeliner and I did my eyebrows because there was no way I was coming on camera looking crazy with missing eyebrows, okay? But you want to cleanse your entire face before you put on your mud mask. Now, what I use to cleanse my face is the Mud Soap by Seacret. Now, it's a gentle cleanser, so it is good for your face and the rest of your body. So this is what it looks like, and I use this one, just giving you guys a visual. That's the first thing you want to do. Now you can use any of the Seacret cleansers, but I just really love this one because I can hop in the shower and get it all done one time. Now the next step is to apply the mud mask. Let's talk about what's in this box. First up, we have our mud mask. This is what it looks like. Let me just open it up here. Okay, so that's it there. And it smells so good. I know it says mud mask, but it does not smell like mud. Next, we have this box. It has the magnetic covers, so it has 14 of them in there. We have our spatula to apply our mud mask. And of course, we have our magnet. So first things first, you want to pop your cover on your magnet. There we go, so you guys can see. You want to use something like a towel or scarf just to keep your hair off your face. That's why I have my hair tied, but I'm just going to put some pins in to make sure I don't get it everywhere. So let me just pin it. Hair secured. So I'm going to use the spatula to apply it. And if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking in my mirror. My mirror. So fun fact about the Dead Sea, it is the lowest point on Earth, and millions of people travel to the Dead Sea every year because they want to sit in it and soak because of its health benefits and healing properties. So it's said that Queen Sheba and Queen Cleopatra both visited the Dead Sea. In fact, legend says that it was actually Queen Sheba that discovered it and talked about its healing benefits. And then Queen Cleopatra came and she established the first spa. And if you know about Cleopatra, you know that she was into beauty hardcore. So you only need a thin layer of this, no need to pack your face. This spatula makes it so easy to apply. You only need to leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes. That's all you need, and you only do it once a week. Now that we're done with that, our next step is to use our magnet to remove the mask. Now you don't have to put it on your face, just close enough. I'm going to start from my forehead. But look at that. It's taking it off. This is wow. So what I love is you don't need water for this. Look at that. How beautiful. The Dead Sea mud removes impurities without stripping the skin of its moisture. And that's awesome because you don't want to dry out your skin. And that's what also makes it effective for clearing clogged pores. So this is great for people that have acne and blackheads as well. So I'm almost done getting it all off there. Wow, this magnet holds a lot of mud. So let me just check, make sure I get it all. All right, so I got it all. So what you want to do next is you want to massage the serum into your skin. You want to infuse it in there. Oh my goodness, guys. This feels so good. No exaggeration. I'm just gonna rub it in there. My skin feels silky smooth. Oh, this feels so good. You just have to experience this for yourself, okay? It is amazing. So it's recommended that you only do this once a week. And then the final step is you follow it up with a moisturizer. So I use the Intensive Moisture Face Cream by Seacret. And the reason I use this one is because when I'm recording this, it's December and my skin gets really dry at this time, and it says normal to dry skin. So you can use any one of Seacret's face moisturizers, but this is the one I choose to use because of this time. All you do is you rub it in there and then you're done. And so let me show you how I clean up really quickly because it's quick and simple. All I do is I take my spatula. You can either rub it off if you want to, or you just use the magnet and just remove all of the extra mud that's still left on there. And then you just take your cover, and I'm going to use a wet wipe, but you can use a tissue, and you just pop it off. And that's it. So you guys can see with all the mud and the impurities and the toxins, and you just throw it away. Simple. So that's the cleanup. The products I went over in this video is the mud soap, of course, the M4 Mineral Rich Magnetic Mud Mask, and the Intensive Moisture Face Cream for normal to dry skin. If you want to find out how to get any of these products, just click the link below in the description box and go to our store. You can also become a VIP customer when you spend $99 or more, and you get free shipping and other perks, which is pretty awesome. If you purchase the M4 Mineral Rich Magnetic Mud Mask, make sure you let me know in the comments how your experience was. I look forward to reading all of them. If you want to get more videos like this, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. And also, don't forget to click the notification button, because if you don't, YouTube will notify you when I put out future videos. Again, this is Kia Valentine. Thanks for checking my channel out. Peace.